100 cash? Yeah, I'll take that 100. Yeah, I'm definitely taking that. Can't beat that. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy T2 the Great, Triple OG. Yeah, you know me. How's everybody doing? Good afternoon. Ebros, I know it's been a minute since I've been with you guys, and we got a lot to cover, so I don't want to waste no time, so let's jump right into this. Okay guys, so this is what we got so far for $100. Check it out. This is a 2018 Vector frame. This frame, it could be hooked up many different ways. You know, I don't know exactly how I want to do it, but the only thing about these frames, you know, you can get caught up spending a lot of money. So I don't want to spend too much money on the bike, you know. I only paid $100 for it, which was a great deal. I was gonna, I bought the bike for $100 and I was going to sell a bike for $300. So if I was to sell, this is what I'm selling for $300. And what actually made me get the bike was the D&M forks. Actually, these were my old D&M forks. They like 180 millimeters, but check it out guys, if you can see, these have the dual calipers. You know, so you can put the dual piston brakes, and they got a 20 millimeter through hole, which is good. And I have parts for this bike, but I don't know how much I'll use of it, but check it out. Here, these are, it's a cover, this is an air vent for the battery, so the battery can catch air as it moves. And on the top, I don't know if the guy added this carbon to it, but it's carbon all the way on the top, which is nice. I will have to get a seat made or order a whole new seat for it. And this swing arm, I don't know. You know, it only can take a hub motor. Here, you can't put a mid-drive here. You can add pedals. He got, this guy had pegs on here. But you can swap this out and you can put pedals on it. You know, good thing about the bike too, pardon me fellas, the good thing about this bike, you can make it into like a 750 watt bike, 1500 watts, 3000, 5000, 8000 watt bike. I don't know exactly what I'm going to make it into. Maybe I go 3000, 5000 watts. Guys, hit the comments and let me know how should I build this bike. And like I said, the whole thing, I don't want to get caught up spending too much money on it. It's a lot of parts missing, like these screws here. I just put these screws temporarily until I order some. I guess I'll get some off of Amazon. And here we have dual shocks. I have another shock that I can replace there, another D&M original. I need some of the screws. This screw here doesn't actually go fully through. So I have to order this screw or put the single D&M shock on and maybe swap the pedals. But like I said, I don't want to spend too much money on it. I have a few more parts that I can continue adding on to this bike, guys, if you want to stick around. It's good to see you guys again. I know I've been away, but let's get this season started. Let's finish this build up. Check it, these are the fenders. I got a fender, this is for the front fender, and this is a little number plate. I got these things right off of Amazon. I know I was getting a bike, check it. So, this will go, pardon me guys, I only got one hand. This can go right up in here like this, right up in here. You guys see, so we're gonna stick that in, and I got a number plate for the front. It goes with the carbon on top. A lot of guys told me that I should have painted the bike before I started the build, but I'm just want to get the bike up off the ground. So, guys, I only got one hand, so give me a second. Let me throw that fender and this number plate on, and I'll be right with you guys. Okay, now we got the number plate. We got the fender on. Let's get the number plate on. That doesn't look bad. I like that little carbon look there. It's not bad at all. So we'll put the number plate here. Guys, these little rusted screws, I got these handlebars from a fly e-bike or mainland, you know. There's a lot we got to run over with the bike, like these holes, these keyholes and things like that. But this is the number plate right here. Above this little arch is where your light go. So I'm thinking, should I hold off on putting the number plate on? Should I install the brakes and everything first? Because the brake wires could go behind. But this only zip tied, so we're gonna install it anyway. Okay, so gonna put that there. You know, one hand, fellas. Hold on. Voila, not bad, not bad. Actually, it looks pretty good. I like it. I remember, fellas, we only paid $100 for the bike, so you know, we don't want to invest too much in it. I think I paid $20 for this thing on Amazon. Maybe like $6 or $15 for this. That's not bad. There's a little cutout here for your headlight to go. And like I said, fellas, I'm going to change these rusty screws. I just thought I'm using all used parts, and I'll change this head out too. We'll figure out something to do here with the key ignition. See, this thing got a lot of holes for wires and things like that. I guess for your controller, your tail lights. I lost the signal light piece. Got to get the screws once again, like I said. And what else? What else? Guys, I got plenty of parts to add to this bike. The next thing I guess I'll add to it is the brakes, you know. And all right, now I got these Tektro 3 adapters. These are 203 millimeters, and I got a Magora for the back. But I got two of these because here, sorry guys, like I said before, you can put dual pistons right about here. If you guys can see, 1 and 2. So we'll put these two, and I got the Tektro, the Twin Plus. I don't know if these are TRP brakes or if they're the Aurora, but they're really nice. The 203 millimeters there, and them pads alone is like 5 millimeters thick. If you can see how big they are, see how thick and chunky the pads are. That's a lot of stopping power. 5 millimeters. And the TRP rotors, these are 203 millimeters. Can you guys see? So that's the brake setup I got there. Look, see it split. Can you guys see that? 1, 2, and it's split. I need a new camera, guys. So we got the TRP brakes, we got the TRP Twin Plus, the 203 millimeters and adapters, and we're gonna install them on the front. I also got the this is an Aurora. It's the same thing, but it's not the twin. You see that? Same nice caliber. I got a lot of extra parts. I got extra calibers, but I only need a single caliber back here. So I guess I'll install those and also over here. This is the Magora 203. This is for the rear. So for the rear, right back here. I hope everything fits and goes well.